Payment regulations such as PSD2 require banks to use two-factor authentication, or 2FA, to protect their online customers. To do so, banks usually rely on a combination of password, either with one-time passcodes or with software tokens. But switching between devices and having to set up software token apps is really annoying for consumers too, often leading to discontent and transaction abandonment. In order to remove the issue of device switching and to improve accessibility, banks can employ typing biometrics authentication. This way, accounts are secured behind the scenes by looking at the way users type their credentials. If their typing behavior matches with previous samples, account access is granted seamlessly. Typing biometrics authentication is user-friendly, universally available with just a keyboard, and compliant with banking regulations. Check out our online demos or contact us and we'll show you how it works.